హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు హైదరాబాద్ విజయవాడ టైమ్స్. అండ్ ప్రస్తుతం మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు సోనాక్షి వర్మ. సో సోనాక్షి అనే పేరుతో చాలామంది వచ్చారు, సక్సెస్ అయ్యారు. సో ఈ సోనాక్షి వర్మ ఈరోజు ఇన్సెక్యూర్ మూవీలో తను హీరోయిన్గా మెయిన్ లీడ్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో వారే మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. నమస్తే అండి.
నమస్కారం.
షీ నోస్ ఇంగ్లీష్, షీ నోస్ హిందీ, బట్ స్టిల్ నేను నమస్కారం అని చెప్పి తెలుగులో ఎందుకు చెప్పానంటే తను తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఐ థింక్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ యాడ్స్ కూడా చాలా చేశారు. అండ్ తన కెరియర్లో ఇది ఒక మైల్ స్టోన్ అవ్వాలని చెప్పి తనని తెలుగులో మీ అందరికీ నమస్కారం పెట్టించాను. ఓకే ఫైన్. అయితే మీ కెరీర్ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది?
I started my career from ads actually.
Okay.
So I did this ad with Rajendra Prasad Garu and Sitara Garu
Okay.
for Peram Group.
Okay.
And that's how I started working in Telugu film industry, and I got few movies.
Okay.
And I did few more movies as main leads, so I have like 4 movies as main leads and few web series.
Okay.
And yeah.
So what is the secret of your curly hair actually?
It's genes.
So it is a naturally curly hair, right?
By birth.
By birth.
Yeah.
So okay, fine. And when it comes to ads and when it comes to modeling is completely a different task, and acting is completely a different task actually. Ads even is also a different. When it comes to heroine main lead is completely different. It all depends upon your performance actually. So how you are enjoying this kind of actress genre?
So it was always a dream to become an actress. I never dreamt of anything except being an actress since my childhood. I am a trained Kathak dancer.
Okay.
And I'm a big fan of Madhuri Dixit, Sridevi, Savitri Garu in Telugu film industry. So Rekha and Meryl Streep and these all actresses I used to watch since my childhood. So that's how I got interest into acting, and that's how I decided that I should be an actress. So yeah, I love being in front of camera. I love to act, not in real life but definitely in front of camera. And I also did theatre for few months in Mumbai and for few months in Hyderabad. So I love acting.
So being an Kathak dancer, I think you will be having a very good performance in acting, right? So you can say any one dialogue from your ad or from your any movie actually, a small dialogue.
Okay. I have to think. రోషిని, నేను రాహుల్కి ప్రేమిస్తున్నాను. నా రాహుల్ నాకు ఇచ్చేయి రోషిని, ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్ రోషిని, ప్లీజ్. నాకు రాహుల్ కావాలి, నాకు రాహుల్ కావాలి, ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్. Yes.
Why you have become a good actress now I have come to know. Even I think audience also, I think they have also got a very good point about you.
I hope.
So I think, see, what is your main dream? Like, you are a very good actress, and do you feel that like what are the projects you are doing, like you have a kind of dream of doing some Anushka kind of woman-centric roles or something else?
I love it. I actually did few movies as like two of them are like women-centric movies, and those movies are going to release very soon, I hopefully.
Okay.
So I hope, thank you so much that you are saying you told me about Anushka ma'am. I am a big fan of her, so I hope that will lead me, those projects will take me somewhere, definitely somewhere good.
So actually in this one there are a lot of up and downs. Like it is not at all seem to be like that when you have a makeup on your face and keep on smiling, and you have lot of hurdles backside, but still you need to act, and 100% you need to entertain the people, like you must be having any kind of hurdle, it doesn't matter. Entertainment and the screen wants only entertainment, right?
Absolutely.
So like how you take this into your this thing, like up and downs and all, because you people have that actually. So how you take that?
So I believe that I should keep my personal and professional life different.
Okay.
So that's how it works for me. When I am in front of the camera, I forget everything. I don't even remember a single thing about myself also. I am just the character who is playing and who is in front of the people, in front of the camera. That's it. That's how I go. So yeah, personal life, everybody has hurdles, everybody go through challenges in life.
Okay.
I do, everybody has ups and downs, I do that. So yeah, I believe we should keep personal and professional life different if as an
Okay.
actor.
Okay.
That's how it works for me.
I think this should be there. Otherwise, you cannot come in front of camera and.
Yeah,
Are you a good singer or a bathroom singer?
I am a good singer.
You're a good singer. So
Huh.
I just want a small, a line from any movie actually. A line, small line I said.
So I'm a big fan of Chiranjeevi Garu in Telugu
Wow,
film
wow.
industry.
Okay.
I also love Pawan Kalyan Garu.
You just won the hearts of all Telugu audience people.
OMG.
Why? Because you first said megastar Chiranjeevi Garu, and afterwards power star Pawan Kalyan fans. I think they really love you like anything, because seriously, though both stars are very hardworking stars here. So,
I do believe that. I do.
superb,
believe
very
that.
good. And
He's-
any song from the song like
Yeah, I will. I'll try to sing. I don't know whether words are correct or not. Lyrics I don't know, but yeah. ఏదో అడగాలని ఎంతో చెప్పాలని రగిలే ఆరాధంలో వెళ్ళలేను ఉండలేను ఏమి కాను మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ ఇది రాని రోజు మళ్ళీ రారి అనుకున్న రోజు దట్స్ ఇట్ ఐ డోంట్
Seriously, ఇది కూడా అంతే. ఇప్పుడు ఇంటర్వ్యూ కూడా అంతే. మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ ఇది రాని రోజు, మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ ఇది చేయలేని రోజు, మళ్ళీ ఏ హిట్ పడిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ చేయాలి. బట్ థ్యాంక్స్ అలాట్, ఎందుకంటే దిస్ ఈస్ ఎ సూపర్ డూపర్ హిట్ సాంగ్ ఫ్రమ్ చిరంజీవి
I
గారి
love
movie.
this song. I am a big fan of
నిజంగా
this song.
అంటే చిరంజీవి గారు ఈజ్ ఎ వెరీ గుడ్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీబడి, ఫర్ మేల్ ఫిమేల్ ఆర్ ఎనీ యాక్టర్స్ అందరికీ కూడా ఆయన బిగ్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్.
Absolutely.
నిజంగా చాలా పెద్ద టాస్క్ పెట్టుకున్నారు. అంటే ఒక శిఖరాన్ని పెట్టుకున్నారు. డెఫినెట్ గా అక్కడ వరకు వెళ్ళాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాం. అండ్
Thank you.
అండ్ మీకు అంటే లైక్ ఓన్లీ ఇప్పుడు వెబ్ సిరీస్ అని దేర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్,
Yeah.
అంటే కీపింగ్ ఎ పార్ట్ మూవీస్ ఆల్సో.
Yeah.
సో లైక్ డూ లైక్ టు కంటిన్యూ ఓటీటీ ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్, సీరియల్స్ ఆర్ ప్రైవేట్ ఆల్బమ్స్? ఎందుకంటే ఐ థింక్ యూ మే బీ ఫ్రమ్ మోడలింగ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఈవెంట్, రైట్?
I did few for few months.
Yeah, that's what.
not
So
a
how
model exactly.
how you want to manage all these things? ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు చాలా మటుకు there is lot of scope to actresses now.
Yeah, absolutely.
అంటే comparatively to
After we got OTTs and all.
exactly.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how you will manage all these things actually?
I actually love to be a part of any OTT project. I have done for a few web series for Z5,
Okay.
View, and Annapurna Studios and all. So I have done. I was a part of a few OTT projects,
Okay.
and these platforms has given big platform to the artists like us, like outsiders who are coming nowhere from the industry. So yeah, it's a great platform.
Okay.
And I basically am a big fan of cinema.
Super. Very
So
good.
I will definitely choose cinema. I would love to do movies more rather than web series, or I will definitely do web series if I'll get good offer.
Okay.
But yeah, if I'll get movie, then I will definitely choose movies because I am a cinema lover.
Very good. And last, what you would like to tell all of the audience about your Insecure movie?
So this movie where I'm playing one of the lead, it's a really wonderful movie happening between two sisters, and I do believe that you will definitely love this movie, and it has like a lot of twists and turns which you will enjoy once you will watch this. So I hope you will watch this. So please wait and watch this movie.
Thank you very much for your valuable
Thank you
time.
so
And
much.
definitely, like after the movie is going to good break, then we are going to take one more interview. Thank you so
Hopefully.
much. And viewers, Idi, thank you.
Thank you.